Taking a peek at the key fob for the Nissan Pathfinder. So very similar to a lot of other Nissan vehicles. Along the top you've got remote start, there's lock, unlock, trunk release, the horn or panic alarm, and then along the back side of the fob there's a little release there, and that, when you release it, there we go, one-handed, gives you access to the emergency access key. So if you ever need to get inside the vehicle and the fob's died, you're just inserting, twist, in order to get in. Using the remote start is straightforward, so you just make sure locked first, and then just push and hold the middle button, or the top button there. That's going to start it up. To cancel the remote start, just push that circle button there again once, and it's canceled. And as I mentioned, you've got lock and unlock, and then you've also got the trunk release, so just push and hold in order to open up that lift gate. You can then push and hold again in order to close, or push there in order to close instead. You've got the horn or panic alarm button there as well. And there's also one neat key fob trick. You can use the key fob to roll the windows down. All you're going to do is push and hold the unlock button. So just going to push and hold, and watch this. Down they go. You can release to pause it part way, but it's all 4 windows. And then just push and hold again on the unlock button in order to continue the cycle. Oh, as nice as this is, you can roll it down just in case grandma's eating a whole row of fig Newtons and a tall glass of prune juice. Air things out nicely, but you also can't use the lock button to roll them back up. So it's power down, but it's manual up. Still pretty neat, but that's everything you need to know about the key fob for the Pathfinder.